Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Logging In. For this episode, I will be guiding you how you can log in into the online banking account of Kearny Bank. Now first of all, you open any browser on your PC and on the search bar you need to type in www.kearnybank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the bank. Once you're at the web page, you need to move your cursor to the login section and there you click on login. With this, you will be able to log in into either your personal banking or your business banking. So here I'm going to show you for personal. For that, you need to type in your username and then you need to type in your password. Once both the detail has been filled in, you need to click on submit, and with this you will be logged in into your personal banking account. But if you forgot your login details or if you forgot your password, you can recover it by clicking on this forgot password link provided by the bank. You just click open this link. Now here you type in your username, then type in the last 4 digits of your social security number and your email address that you have provided during your account creation period. Then click on begin password reset. With this, you will be moved forward for the recovery process of your password. Now for the business banking, you need to click on login over here. Now for you to get logged in into your business banking, you type in your username and then the password. Once you provide both the details, you need to click on login and you will be logged in into your business banking on Kearny Bank. You can also recover your business login by clicking on forgot password or pin. This is how you can log in into your online banking account on Kearny Bank. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.